Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Sophie. Today we will present APT 2043 Application for Information Technology for Business. We are from Growth 12. And there are my group members, which is Najwa Karinisa binti Nazri 82A0492, Nur Syaira Salwani binti Syari 82A0234, Nur Syafiqah binti Bedu 82A0241, Nur Syazah Fakihah binti Muhammad Hadapi 82A0803, and the last is Nur Bartisha Khalida binti Muhammad Farid 82A0798. The first part is a 1.0 introduction. This project assignment outlines the purpose of conducting industrial training at Innovative Tuition Center. This training aims to assist merchants in managing the growing student data at the tuition center, which has grown from 15 to 500 students in 4 years. It also mentioned reluctance to invest in Microsoft Excel due to cost and uncertainty about its suitability for organization needs.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Najwa Karinisa binti Nazri, matric number A22A0492. Recording and retrieving the student data of Sarjana Tuition. At first, click Create tab and click Table. To edit the field, click Home tab and choose the design view. Rename the table as student_234. In design view, set the field name as student ID as student name, student phone, student age, student email, student state, student school name, student address, student parent name, and the last one is student registration date. While for data type, as for student ID is auto number, and all the field data we put text except the registration we put date or time.
Next, recording student fees and generate fee receipt. For first picture, which is fee or fee form, we can see the Sarjana Tuition fee record. The total of fee record is 9,975 ringgit. For second picture, which is fee receipt, the total of three package, which is UPSR, PT3 and SPM are 6,675 ringgit. After do the fee form, we need to click Create tab. Then we need to click Query Design, rename it as Query Fee Receipt 234 and choose 4 tables. Besides that, we have to rename the report as Sarjana Tuition Fee Receipt. Then we have to rename the folder as Fee Receipt.
2.3 Record expenses by expense categories such as salary, utilities, rent, and insurance. So we need to open table for expenses and expense category. First, click a Create tab and click a table. To add or edit the field, click Home tab and choose a design view. Rename the first table as expenses and key in the field name and data type. For expense ID, choose auto number. For teacher ID and expense payment month, choose a number. For expense payment date, choose a date or time. And for the next table, rename table as expense category and keep in the field name and data type. For expense category ID, choose auto number. For the expense category name, choose short text. And last, for expense category amount, choose a currency. Next, we need to create another table and rename as expense event. We can see the detail of expense event by event ID, expense category ID, expense quantity, and expense cost. After that, we have created a list of expenses by category by click the tab Query Design. After setting the table of expenses and list of expenses, click a Create tab, click Form, and rename as an expense form. The result can be seen clearly in a point of view. We can see the detail of expense form.
Other than that, I will describe about the next button. So if Mrs. Jen wants to see a report of total income by package, she can press the button as shown the Sarjana Tuition Center menu. There are 3 packages which is amount provided here, such as BESR, PT3 and SPM. The most amount of income earned by package is from PT3 package, which is 19,350 ringgit Malaysia, while the least amount of income earned is from UPSR package, which is only 3,250 ringgit Malaysia.
Same goes to the total income by school. If Miss Jane wants to check the report of total income by school, she can even click the button on the menu as shown in the slide, so that there are 10 schools that have been stated in this slide. We have found that SMK Penang Jaya is the highest income by school, which is RM 15,200 and SMK Negeri Sembilan Paru is the least income by school.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Najwa Herunisa Nasri, matric number A22A0492. Recording and retrieving the student data of South China Tuition. At first, click Create tab and click Table. To edit the field, click Home tab and choose the design view. Rename the table as student_234. In design view, set the field name as student ID as student name, student phone, student age, student email, student state, student school name, student address, student parent name, and the last one is student registration date. While for data type, as for student ID is auto number, and all the field data we put text except the registration we put date or time.
Lastly, for our profit and loss, the total income for 12 months is 38,100 ringgit Malaysia, and the total of expenses is 18,339 ringgit Malaysia. The highest amount of income is in January, which is 15,200 ringgit Malaysia, and the lowest is June, which is 125 ringgit Malaysia. For total expenses, the highest month is January, which is 4,824 ringgit Malaysia, and the lower is April, which is 2,259 ringgit Malaysia, and the total of net profit is 90,761 ringgit Malaysia.
To conclude, total fees paid by student is RM 6,675. The information indicates that students who enroll in PT3 incur greater monthly cost of RM 19,350. Next are SPM and UBSR, which are RM 18,200 and RM 3,250 respectively. Fees by month, students registering in January are higher than other months. Students' fees state that Agilan Anak Lelaki Ayu Malai has the highest fees, totaling RM 8,525 based on their expenses. The least expensive by Muhammad Fayed bin Cik Fauzian at a total cost of RM 3,900.